Hey, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com, and in this video we want to show a little more detail about ComfyGo's super lightweight carbon fiber fold chair. It's called the Phoenix. Now once you remove the footrests, the joystick, and both of the batteries, it weighs just 27 pounds. It's approved for airline travel. It can support up to 285 pounds of weight. There was a previous Phoenix design that could only support 240, so they've increased the weight capacity, but still maintain a super lightweight total weight of the chair. So I'm going to show you some more about it and what makes this chair really awesome. Another thing I'd like to mention is we have a catalog that we can send to you for free. It's of our top sellers. You can call us, provide your information to any agent that answers the phone. We'll get that entered into our system, and it takes about 10 days to get to you once we receive that. Or if you prefer to just fill it out online, just click on free catalog. It's at the top of our website. Fill out your information and we'll send it to you within 10 days. So back to the video. So the chair, 100% carbon fiber frame, and if you look here on the armrest, you can see it has this kind of like this glossy, sleek design, but this is all over the chair, and that's what makes it lightweight. Now there's different seat cushions, so this is the standard cushion. This comes standard on it, but if you were to upgrade to a textile cushion, you can get different colors. Currently there's about 6 different colors. ComfyGo always switches the different types that you can get, but it just gives it more of like a different color that pops, a little more cushioning. And when you order with the textile, you also get the standard cushion as well, so you can kind of double the cushion if you wanted to. I like the textile cushion because it is easy to clean off. So if you were to spill something on it, it's easy to wipe right off. With this mesh fabric that comes standard, this has some holes, so it's not as easy to clean, but you can still clean. These are removable. So easy to remove these if you need to take them off and to clean them. Quick announcement, we are giving away a free mobility scooter. We do this monthly. In order to be eligible for the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment on any video. Once you've done those 2 things, you'll automatically be entered into the drawing for our next mobility scooter giveaway. We do announce the winner on our YouTube channel and all of our social media. So if you'd like to be entered into that drawing, just do those 2 things. Now back to the video. So as far as the joystick, pretty cool. Really nice joystick actually. It's got this digital display. So you have your speed. It's actually in kilometers per hour, but the top speed is around 4 miles per hour. You have your battery gauge here. Here's your speed control. You got a horn. This will turn off when you go in reverse. This turns off the beeping noise when you go in reverse. Here's your speed control, so you can see it adjust this bar. And this is a really cool feature, is you have a headlight. So I'll block the sunlight, so you can see that's the headlight, that's the high beam, that's the low beam, and that's your flashing light. So the flashing lights, you might want to use that in the evening, make sure you're seen if you're in like a dark street, but you have that nighttime visibility, which is really nice. There's also a USB charging port, so you can charge your mobile device. This is where you actually charge the power chair. So you have 2 ways of charging it. You can charge it directly on the joystick, or you can also charge it directly on the battery. So if I pull up this clip, the battery will slide out and it just pops right out like that. And you have a charging port right here. So if you didn't want to bring the whole chair inside your home, you want to leave it in your car, you can just take the battery out and charge it right in your home using the same charger, which is really nice. So there's 2 battery options. You have one that is a 15-mile battery range, and you have another one that is a 25-mile battery range. Now, both of the options actually come with 2 batteries. So you have one on each side. You can see there's one on here, and there's one here. A really unique thing that they have is they have this switch. So once you run out of battery life on one of the batteries, you can switch it, and it'll draw battery from the other, it'll draw power from the other battery on the other side. So whether it's the 15-mile range or the 25-mile range, you have both. They'll come with 2 batteries for each of them. You also have this battery tester. You can see it quickly of what the actual battery life is. So you can see on the joystick, the battery has this compartment that it goes into. So you just slide it right in there, and it sets at this kind of like this angle like that, and then you just pop it right into place. A lot of times these power wheelchairs that have batteries on the side, they don't quite fit as snug like this, so I really like that feature. Now, as far as a few other things, so when you're traveling with this, because it's airline approved, the best thing to do is to remove the joystick. That's one thing that I would do. So I have it powered off right now. So if I remove this, you can see it connects this way, and then there's a little knob down here, and I remove the joystick completely. You can put it on either side, so it doesn't matter if you're left-handed or right-handed, and you can extend the length. So if I'm traveling with this, whether it's through an airline or I'm traveling in a vehicle, you would want to remove this first. That's the first thing you would do. The second thing I would do is remove these foot plates or these footrests. So they pop off through this clip and they slide right off. So I'll actually put these to the side just for now. I would also remove these cushions, which are very easy to remove. And at this point, the last thing you want to do is push these two levers, and the seat back will fold down. Now, once it's at this level, the overall height, once you remove the joystick, it's around 31 inches. The length of the chair, once you remove the foot plates, is around 28 inches. Now, if you're traveling with an airline, you also have to remove the batteries, which I showed you previously. You have to take them both off. So I would take both of these off just to make sure it doesn't get damaged. The two batteries, joystick, foot plates, and the cushions, I would bring all of those on with you, and then this is what you would give to the airline. Now, as far as what you do to fold, you just pull these two handles up like this, and now this is 27 pounds, super lightweight. So let me put these batteries back in. Now, obviously, if you're traveling by vehicle, you don't have to take the batteries out, but I would remove everything else just so you can fold it and these don't get damaged or banged up. So I'm gonna put the joystick back in, put these foot plates back in. You just have to line up the hole just like so and put the clip in. Lining up the hole. Now we've got that in. And put the Velcro back in, so now you're good to go. Also comes with the seat belt as standard. Really cool thing about the chair is it has this attendant remote. Now you can use this if you're a caretaker. You can operate the chair with this remote, or if you had some kind of disability where you weren't able to use a joystick, you can operate the chair with this, and I'll show you how that works. So, in order to operate this, so I got the joystick turned on first. Now, once that's on, you have to power the remote. I have to hold this on, the power button, for about 4 seconds, and you can see it's lit up. So now that it's lit up, you can operate the chair. And I've actually been told that it has a 60-yard range. So you can see how far away the chair will go. I'd even go as far as it actually can. It can go pretty far, as I said, 60 yards. So what's really unique is that a lot of the attendant controllers are mounted to the back. It's mounted to the back, and now with this, you've got the remote control, so you can walk beside the patient or whoever you're taking care of, and you can have that connection, that face-to-face connection. You can stand in front of them. Another cool thing you could do is, you have to keep the joystick on, so that's one thing to keep in mind. But if you were, say you're in another room and you want to bring the chair to you, as long as the joystick is turned on, you can then turn on the remote and you can bring the chair to you instead of getting up and walking to your chair. So that's really cool. So I'm going to turn this off for now, and I'll show you another really nice feature about the chair. So the armrests do flip up, so you have to press this button on the side. And a lot of the chairs will actually flip up like this, but they can flip all the way back. So when they flip all the way back like that, then it's easy to do transfers in and out of the seat. So really like that about the chair. It's a great lightweight folding chair to take with you when you're traveling. You're seeing lots and lots of these lightweight units that are on the market today. And this is a really nice model. It also comes with a a really awesome warranty from ComfyGo, and because we have an exclusive relationship with ComfyGo, we're able to offer this 7-day free trial with this. And the way that works is you have to purchase the chair like you normally would. So you can do that online or call us. And once you receive it, make sure you keep all the packaging. You can test this product indoors, make sure it fits you comfortably. And if it doesn't fit for some reason, within 7 days, call us. We'll send you a prepaid return label to send it back, and once it's received, we'll issue a refund in full. So that's a nice way of testing out the product with no risk. So the seat width, a lot of people want to know that it's about 18 inches wide, but in between the armrests, you have 20 inches. So it's a pretty wide seat, and it needs to be wide to be able to support that weight capacity of 285. One other thing I want to mention as well. So if I power this off, this is your freewheel levers. So you have 2 of them here. Right now you can see that they're both in the drive position. That's how you operate the chair. But if you wanted to put it in neutral or manual, you can push it like a manual wheelchair. Just keep in mind you can't operate the chair when it's in manual. You have to put them both into drive, which engages the electromagnetic brakes. So now I can't push it, but really fantastic power wheelchair, ultra lightweight, one of the lightest on the market. And if you have any questions about this chair or any of ComfyGo's products, give us a call. We're open every single day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.